So, what in the heck are Wolf-Rayet stars? Here are some nifty facts about these cosmic entities. These are truly the heavyweights of the cosmos, with masses over 20 times that of our Sun. Despite their size, these stars burn out fast and furiously. They boast intense stellar winds at speeds reaching thousands of kilometers per second, shaping the cosmic landscape. They burn at over 30,000 degrees Celsius with their blue hue lights, firing up the night sky. They aren't just Milky Way residents. Wolf-Rayet stars are found in galaxies far, far away. They radiate in a blue and ultraviolet spectrum which paints the cosmos with vibrant colors. Many of these are in pre-supernova stages, shedding outer layers in anticipation of a stellar explosion. Their molecular structure consists of different subtypes, including nitrogen-rich and carbon-rich stars, revealing their atmospheric composition. They were coined by astronomers Wolf and Rayet in the 19th century. However, they've more than likely fascinated skygazers for generations before.